Why I look like I'm stuck on pause. But anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. Glad you guys could tune in today. Checking out my channel. I'm doing another DIY for you guys today. I'm going to be jazzing this shirt up, making it sassy, making it cute. And we're going to just get right into it. Hope you guys like this video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Alright, so first things first, we're going to be tracing out the shape. I'm going to be cutting out that area, tracing it, making it easier for me to cut it out. And you guys can create whatever design you want, whatever your little heart desires, just create it. Just flow with it. Feel free. So what I'm doing here is just lightly tracing out the area that I'm going to be cutting out. Just gives me a guide basically. And y'all, I didn't measure anything. I'm just basically going off just eyeing it, just guesstimating. I'm just trying to make sure it's even on both sides as best you can. Alright you guys, so I've cut out one side already, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing on this side. And just try your best to keep it nice and clean cut. You know how it is cutting fabric, sometimes it can be a little jagged. But just try to get it as clean and neat as you can. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting that side, I'm just going to make sure I lay the shirt out flat. Make sure both sides are even as best as they can be. And what I'm doing here is just eyeing where I want to start cutting. I'm going to be cutting the bottom of the shirt. I'm going to be cutting lines in it straight down. I'm going to do it all the way to the bottom of the shirt, to the end of the shirt. And again, y'all, just try to keep it nice and straight and nice and clean cut lines. Mine's a little jagged, but hey, it's alright. It's all good. It's still gonna be cute. I'm still gonna rock it. It's still gonna be cute. And guys, I'm just gonna keep cutting until I get to the end of the shirt. Okay, I am liking it. This is cute, y'all. This is really cute. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If it's a yay or if it's a nay. So now what I'm doing is putting this neon green polish on the sponge. And you guys, I got this sponge from home, right under my cabinet. And then this neon green Dollar Tree. So I'm telling y'all, this stuff is really, really easy and it's cheap to make. Shirt, $3.99 I believe. I'll have to put description and everything, details and all that stuff down in the box below, the description box below. So now I'm just going. I'm not even really placing it anywhere in particular. I'm just putting it down, laying it wherever. I found that I had to reapply the polish a couple times. So y'all just be patient. Just be patient. It's worth it though. Y'all, I am not gonna lie, I'm just now realizing I got my feet out today. I'm a person that don't like to wear socks and shoes, so that's nothing new for me. But y'all don't try to come for my feet, please. I already know I got them out. But at least they cute. At least they cute. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the white now this time. Doing the same thing I did with the green. Making sure I got the sponge all the way saturated. So here I'm doing the same thing like I did with the green, just placing it wherever in no particular order and no pattern, just placing it wherever I feel. And y'all, oh, don't forget, put y'all's mask on and make sure y'all have a door or windows open, because y'all know how nail polish is. It's real strong. It was real strong. So yeah, make sure y'all have y'all's mask on just to kind of help protect y'all. Alright, so this is the last color I'm getting ready to put on. Same thing, no particular order, no pattern. But you guys, once you get into it, you'll start to see what pattern you're going for. You'll start to see it. You'll start to see the pattern coming together. And this black, y'all, is really popping. It's making the shirt pop. I really like it. I'm being a little extra, y'all, but that's okay. I'm just making a little bit more designs. And y'all too, y'all be extra. Y'all, you know, it's y'all's design. Do whatever you think looks good. Be over the top. It's all on you. Whatever you feel looks good, go for it. I don't know. I think I'm about to be done. At least I think I'm about to be done. But I don't know, y'all. I'm probably not. But we'll see. We'll see. But it's really starting to come together, though. Y'all see how that bottle just fell? But you see how it blends right in with everything. It didn't even matter. It just blends right in. See, y'all, you know how I said I didn't know if I was done. I'm not. Just a few more finishing touches. Yes, yes, I am loving this. I'm loving how this is starting to look. And I just felt like putting a little heart on the end of the E there. Just a little something different. Oh, okay. And this is just the icing on the cake, y'all, I promise. And I will be done. This is just the icing on the cake. Just a little bit of bling, a little bit of shine. I always like to have a little bit of shine to my stuff. A little shine or glitter, something like that. Anything that sparkles is cute to me. And I'm just using a little bit of super glue to put the finishing touch on there, to put the little jewels on there. Okay, y'all, we about to see what this is looking like. I'm excited. I am excited. Yes, y'all, yes. And I am loving how this turned out. This was an easy, cute DIY to do. Oh, and cheap too. But I really love how it turned out. You guys let me know down below. Make sure you comment and let me know what you guys think. But most importantly, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications by ringing that bell. Remember, peace and love. God bless.